Oh my gosh. I took a risk. I trusted FedEx again. I ordered a white family Rotary because I need a Rotary machine for the quiet for the dog. This man did the best packing in the world. This person, I don't know if it's a man or a woman. This was like this on top of the machine. I've been absolutely terrified. I don't think it got broken. The FedEx, I called FedEx today. I had them contact their driver, tell their driver not to throw it at the front door. I don't think it's broken. So we can't fault the sellers for packing. Oh. Look at this. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm just concerned about the hand wheel. Oh. I have to go to the vet. I have to run over to the vet real quick. I can't do this right now, but it looks like it didn't get broken.